all our subscribers and those ones that are stopping by to say hello to us. God bless you. Today we'll be cutting two different types of sleeve. Okay, follow me as we go. Here I've double folded my fabric, so I will need the weight of the 20 inches divided by 2. I have 10. Okay, I mark my 10 through. I make my 10 inches fold. Then I mark the length of the sleeve I need. The length I need is 10 inches. Sewing allowance, making it 10 and a half. Then the hemming at the end of the round sleeve, 1 and a half. So I have 12. I need 12 inches. I mark my 12 inches through. Okay, then I connect it. So the next thing is usually we have from the upper part here, measure 5 inches downwards. That is where our ankle cutting will take place. 5 inches downwards. Okay, this is our 5 inches downward. Then the round sleeve I need 14. So I'll be marking 14 divided by 2, 7, plus sewing allowance 7 and a half. I connect my round sleeve to the 5 inches I mark downwards. Okay, then I make my, look at it very carefully, I make my round sew. Okay, so by the time I measure this now, it's going to give me exactly the length of my sewing allowance, length of my armhole. So I cut it out. It's simple as that. It depends. I just need 10 inches for my length. If you want 3/4, you can make your own longer and so on. This is all I need for mine. I'm cutting the two sleeves together. It's so simple. And make your own. I promise you I'm doing 2 types. Okay, it's likely this is the other type you use. Okay, now the sleeve is ready. Okay, the second style, which I believe some of us still cut it. Okay, all we need for the unfolded it, just about, this one is going to be a baby zone, so about 7.5 foot. Okay, and then all I need for the measurement is I need the 5 plus sewing allowance 5.5 for the taping of the NM, 7 together. So I need 7 for this. 7, connect it. So here I'm going to mark about 2.5 downwards because it's a baby's cloth. So the next thing I need is the round sleeve. The round sleeve of the baby is just 5 plus sewing allowance 5.5. Then connect it to this place. Make it a big cup, then connect it here. Unlike the bigger one that is curved. So the next thing, we cut it out. So simple as that. If the sleeve is ready with the bigger one, so make your choice. Do you want to use the curve method? You want to use the straight method? Thank you very much for standing by us. God bless you.